Hi, I'm Eric, and we are here at MarineMax in Westbrook on a Scout 215 XSF 2026. So this boat is powered by a Yamaha 150. We've got rod holders and cup holders on the stern, nice for fishing or entertaining. You've got a place to put your things. This boat does have a freshwater fill on the back with a quick connect just in front of the engine well. We've got a live well on here and this nice fold-out bench seat. Great for on your cruise. People can sit here comfortably, and if you are out fishing, folds up nicely out of the way, which also provides you access to the bilge. This boat is self-draining. You'll see the scuppers on either side, and just forward of those is nice inserted rod storage. The leaning post on this boat has rocket launchers on the back, as well as cup holders and an igloo cooler. This is the Heritage interior color, Scout Standard. Looks beautiful, really nice, soft, nice stitched, beautiful interior. We've got flip down bolsters, so very comfortable to sit here at the helm, or flip up if you wanted to stand and felt more comfortable that way. Really good seating position, and you're protected by glass on the front and the sides of the console. At the helm here, we've got our Garmin 9-inch display, Fusion stereo, our switch panel, storage with the USB, our binnacle here, as well as cup holders, and a tilt steering wheel with a quick knob. We also have the induction charger, which is really nice. Instead of plugging your phone in, you can plug it in right there. The hardtop is fiberglass hardtop, includes a storage bag, and on the aft and forward are LED lighting for spreader lights. As you come around, you'll notice that the coaming bolsters all the way through make it very comfortable while you're fishing. If you're fishing off the side, something nice to lean up to. This boat does include a battery charger, which plugs in here, as well as courtesy lighting on both sides. Underneath the console, we've got our battery switch, an area for storage, access to the electronics, and also at the front, you've got a little utility cupboard where you can put your fishing materials, screwdrivers, fillet knife. Coming forward, this is a great space to lounge out. We've got plenty of room here for 6 to 8 people sitting comfortably. We've got our forward backrests. We've got a huge lounge seat with armrests. And underneath here is a large insulated storage area. It's also drainable, so if you wanted to fill this with ice, you can bring your beverages on board, plug it, have it filled with ice, and it'll drain out to the bilge. Underneath the front seats, we've got storage, access to our anchor rod, anchor access here. This boat does come with a trolling motor panel, so in case you did want to do some trolling fishing or you're going shallow, the plug-in is right there, so easy to mount a trolling motor. This boat is optioned out with the bow rod holder combo cups. So that's a really neat feature. Instead of adding both, you've got the cup holders and rod holders in one, as well as your forward anchor. This is also a great place if you wanted to use it as a fishing platform, you didn't get the trolling motor, and even just pulling in your anchor. Really nice space to stand up here comfortably. Come on down to MarineMax Westbrook and check out the 2026 Scout 215 XSF.